Ningbo Dongsu Plastic Industry Company Limited, located in Ningbo, Zhejiang, 1 hour from Ningbo Port and 30 minutes from the airport and train station. The factory is 8,723 square meters with 77 workers and 9 years of professional experience, specializing in more than 300 cleaning products. These are mainly spin, spray, flat mops, window wipers, cleaning dusters, brushes, and many others. Our professional team of customer service, aesthetic design, structural engineers, and mold engineers provide the very best sales and OEM/ODM service with high communication efficiency. We are a warm, positive, honest, creative, and hard-working company. Our manufacturing ability is very advanced, as all of our machines are equipped with robotic arms, replacing labor with automation to reduce labor costs and ensure stable quality control. We utilize an ERP system to monitor the daily performance of our machines to maximize efficiency. Our mold engineering workshop has the capability to open new molds and maintain them to guarantee excellent mold production standards. We have integrated an outstanding quality control process in which process checking, production inspection, and pre-shipment inspections are done every 2 hours to guarantee quality products. Our certificates include ISO 9001, ISO 14001, BSCI, and GSV. Currently, we own 49 patents with continual innovations and developments of new products every year.